Good morning. Welcome to Easy English 365. This is day 9. Today our topic is packing my bag. Before we start, let us remember our daily anchor sentence. I pack my bag to be ready for the day. Today, we will learn how to talk about packing your bag in the morning. This is an important step to make sure you have everything you need for work or school. Let us learn some new words. Bag. I put my things in my bag. Backpack. I carry my books in a backpack. Laptop. I need my laptop for work. Phone. I always put my phone in my bag. Charger. I pack my phone charger. Wallet. My wallet has my money and cards. Keys. I never forget my house keys. Notebook. I write notes in my notebook. Pen. I keep a blue pen in my bag. Water bottle. I drink water from my bottle. Umbrella. I pack an umbrella just in case. Headphones. I listen to music with my headphones. Check. I check my bag before I leave. Zip. I zip the bag closed. Pocket. I put my keys in the side pocket. Heavy. My bag is a little heavy today. Light. I try to keep my bag light. Organize. I organize my bag every morning. Forget. I do not want to forget anything. Ready. Now I am ready to go. Now, let us learn some useful everyday sentences. I pack my bag every morning. I put my laptop in my bag carefully. I check my pockets for my keys and wallet. I always bring a water bottle with me. I pack my phone charger for the day. I put my notebook and pen in the front pocket. I zip my bag closed tightly. I check the weather and pack an umbrella. I organize my bag so I can find things easily. I do not want to forget my important items. My bag is a little heavy today. I try to keep my bag light and simple. I put my headphones in the side pocket. I check my bag one more time before I leave. I have everything I need for work. Packing my bag is a quick morning routine. I feel organized when my bag is ready. I carry my backpack on both shoulders. I am ready for a busy day. I pack my bag to be ready for the day. You are doing a fantastic job. Learning these practical words will help you feel more confident in your daily English. Keep up the great work. Let us listen to a short story about Mia. Mia is getting ready for work. She stands by the door with her backpack. First, she puts her laptop and notebook inside. She adds her pen and phone charger. Next, she checks her pockets. She has her wallet and house keys. She puts a water bottle and an umbrella in the side pocket. She zips the bag closed. She checks her bag one more time. She does not want to forget anything. Mia smiles because she is organized. She knows that she packs her bag to be ready for the day. Let us review some important words from today. Bag, backpack, laptop, phone, charger, wallet, keys, notebook, pen, water bottle, umbrella, headphones, check, zip, pocket, heavy, light, organize, forget, ready. Now, let us review some useful sentences. I pack my bag every morning. I check my pockets for my keys and wallet. I organize my bag so I can find things easily. I pack my bag to be ready for the day. Remember our daily anchor sentence. I pack my bag to be ready for the day. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you have a wonderful morning. Remember to check your bag and start your day with confidence. See you tomorrow for day 10. Tomorrow, in day 10, we will talk about commuting to work. Have a great day.